Hi students, in this video let me explain how to analyze the radiation mechanism of an antenna. Right, so let us see that. We know the radiation is nothing but launching of EM wave into space. Launching of electromagnetic wave into space is known as radiation. Right, so this we know, and moreover we know that if the sources are time varying, if the sources are time varying, then EM waves, electromagnetic waves, propagate away from the sources. Propagate away from sources. That's what we learned from our Maxwell's equation. Away from sources, right? And the radiation is said to have taken place. And radiation is said to have taken place. Fine. Okay. So if you want to analyze the radiation mechanism of any antenna, what are the steps to be followed? In what way we have to analyze? First, choose an appropriate coordinate system. That is the first thing. Choose an appropriate coordinate system. That is the first thing. Second thing is, what we must do is determine vector magnetic potential A value, right? Third one, from A find H. How find H from A? How can we find H from A? We know that B is equal to mu H and B is equal to del cross A. This implies H is equal to 1 by mu del cross A. Simple. Right? Once we find magnetic field, what we need to do is electric field we have to find, because in radiation means we have to find both E and H. Determine E from del cross H. How? Because we know that as per Ampere's modified Ampere circuit law, del cross H is equal to, what do you call, del cross H is equal to JC plus JD. JC is equal to sigma E, JD is equal to dou by dou T, D is equal to epsilon E, so I write as this one. Right, for lossless medium, sigma 0, so epsilon del cross H is equal to epsilon dou E by dou T, sigma 0 for lossless medium. Conductivity is 0, right? So what will happen? This implies in what do you call, phasor form, I can write as j omega E. So E is equal to 1 by j omega epsilon del cross S. So in this manner you find E value. First to find H value, from then from A you find H, from H you find E, right? That's point number 5. Okay, point number 5 is find power radiation. Power radiation is given by power average dot ds, where P average is equal to 1 by 2 real part of E cross H. Simple. This is what radiation has to be, radiation mechanism of any antenna to be analyzed. So what we have to find? From A find H, from H find E, From E, find P average. From P average, you find P radiation. Over. This is the way all the antenna to be analyzed. Radiation mechanism of all the antenna should be analyzed. I hope you understand the logic. We will follow the same logic to analyze all the antenna. You can see it in the further videos. Thank you.